In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful electromagnet using just one battery. This is Volt Wolf. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. We'll need an AA battery. I'm using a Duracell because it lasts longer. We'll also need a bolt and a nut, and a bit of copper wire, and a switch. First, we need to wrap the wire around the bolt. I'm using a drill to do that. Next, we need to remove the top part of the battery so the bolt can make good contact. And then we glue the bolt to the battery. After that, we install the switch and connect the wires to the battery. And as you can see, we've made a powerful electromagnet that anyone can recreate. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year.